Hello everyone, my name is Brian Whitaker. I'm with ID Additives. I'm the tech manager for our EcoPro 360 lineup. If you could please subscribe to our channel. Our goal this year is to get to 1,000 subscribers so I can start live streaming some live events and show you more about what this product can do. This video specifically is an unboxing video of our new packaging. The previous packaging required some assembly. We've made it a little bit easier on our customers now to where you no longer have to do that. That said, it's basically a Gaylord turned upside down. Notice the lid on the bottom. When you open it up, I know you can't see it right now, but it's going to come with this empty 20-gallon drum, after which point you can just lift up. Obviously, two people makes it a little bit easier, but if you're ordering product with your cart, it'll come in 5-gallon jerry cans unless you specifically request that you want your material in the drum, at which case the material will just be filled in the drum and you're ready to go. That said, take this off. It's your material. If you'd like to come a little bit closer, I can show you how exactly it's banded. We've put a couple 2x6s, that way it's secured to the pallet. The wheels aren't going to penetrate below, and then it's just simple banding right here. So you'll just cut those straps. You can break down the edge of this Gaylord topper, and it'll roll right off. And basically, you're set to go. So that's our new packaging. We hope that you enjoy it. If you'd like to check out the cart, the next event that ID Additives will be at is PLASTEC West in Anaheim, California. Beyond that, for more information regarding all the events this year, just click in the description below. Thanks.